Welcome back to OptixTronix, and today we will be setting up the Einscan SP V2 with the tripod. Now, if you're just tuning in, definitely check my previous video where we set up the Einscan SP V2 with the scanner table, link down below. Also, I want to give a shout out to 3DWonders for sending out the Einscan SP V2 for evaluation. If you're interested in looking for your next 3D scanner, definitely check out 3DWonders. I will also leave a link down below. Now, the Einscan SP V2 comes with a mini tripod. At the top, the tripod head. There are several turning knobs. The knobs at the bottom are responsible for allowing the tripod head to rotate. Rotate counterclockwise to loosen the head, and rotate clockwise to tighten it. The middle knob is responsible for the rotation of the release plate holder. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to loosen it up. Rotate the knob clockwise to tighten it up. As for the tripod leg, there are the multi-angle leg locks located at the top. This allows you to adjust the leg angle of the tripod. Each leg also have 2 points of extension. Rotate the rubber joint counterclockwise to extend the leg, and clockwise to tighten the joint once you decide of the length of the leg. Also at the center of the tripod is a hook to attach weights for stabilization so the tripod don't fall over. I usually use a backpack or a small weight for this hook if the tripod feels lopsided. Now for the tripod plate, it attaches the tripod head as so. In order to fully secure the plate attachment, make sure you push the silver nozzle inwards to allow the entrance of the plate, and let go once it's positioned. Now let's attach the plate under the scanner bracket by screwing in the plate under the bracket. Once completed, rotate the knob on the tripod clockwise to tighten the tripod plate holder. Now that the scanner bracket is installed on the tripod, we can now grab the scanner and the turntable. Grab the USB cable B, insert the cable into the turntable at the back, and then place the scanner onto the bracket. Make sure to always hold on to the scanner while it's on the tripod for security when inserting the other end of the cable into the scanner. Once that is completed, insert the power cable at the back of the scanner, and then plug the AC into a power socket. Also, plug the USB cable into the scanner and then plug the other end into the laptop. Don't forget to turn on the power once all cables are connected. And in this video, we will be scanning a small sculpture. Now let's start up Einscan S. Let it load, and once it's done, select New Work. Make sure you create a folder at your location of your choice. I'm naming my folder Statue, and I'm naming my file also Statue. Select Texture, Scan, and apply. And as you can see, the sculpture is nowhere in the frame, so rotate the head of the tripod and try to fill the frame with the object. In this case, it's the sculpture. Once everything is in frame, go to Scan Setting, and this time I will adjust my settings differently from my first video, link down below. I have the Align Mode to Features, Turntable Steps at 12, Turntable Speed at 4, and 1 turn. Now click Start Scan. Let it rotate and scan the sculpture. Once completed, click Apply Edit. To remove the base manually, Shift and left click and highlight the base. Hit Delete once completed, and now the base is gone. Once completed, click Apply Edit. Now go to Work tab and create a new project. Select Texture Scan and click Apply. This time, I will face the sculpture flat down on the turntable, and once done, click Start Scan. Let it scan, and once completed, hit Apply Edit. Again, remove the base by selecting it with Shift left mouse click, select the area, and hit delete. And again, go to Work tab and create a new project. I am repeating the previous step, but this time I'm rotating the sculpture on the other side of its side and adjusting the placement of the turntable, as you can see, to get more at the base of the sculpture. Once all in frame, click Start Scan. Now let it rotate and scan the sculpture. Once completed, hit Apply, Edit. Again, remove the base by selecting it with Shift left mouse click. Once selected, hit Delete. And now that we have all three projects completed in the Work tab, we are selecting Align on the far right to align all these scans together. Drag Project 1 to the fixed square space and drag Project 2 to the floated square space. Hit Feature on the far left and it will automatically align your scans. You can check the alignment at the bottom. Now, drag Project 3 to the floated square space, hit Feature, and it will align to the fixed scan, which should be still Project 1. Once done, hit Complete. Now, once all three scans are aligned, you need to go through a global optimization to tighten up the alignment. So click Global Optimization on the right. When finished, click Confirm. Now that we have all scans tightly aligned, let's fuse all the scans together by selecting Mesh Model, Watertight, and High Detail. Let it load, and this part will take some time. Once completed, a pop-up box will show up asking if you want to remap your texture if your texture color is incorrect. Click OK, and here is your mesh. Now that your fusion is completed, we need to export your scan. So click on Export Your Scan, Save Mesh Locally, find a location to store your data. I'm also selecting all the formats at the bottom. Once exported, you should have all your 3D models and your texture exported to your location. Now with this 3D scan, you can use this in a 3D program, a game engine, or 3D printing, which we'll be doing in the future. So if you want to check that out, definitely click like and subscribe and join me in my next video. Until then, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.